Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Duolingo app not working. So to fix that, first of all, you should be sure that Duolingo app is connected to the internet. And to see that, you have to go to settings. After that, cellular. After that, scroll down and click on show all. After that, click on search and type Duolingo. And here you should be sure that the option that is checked is WLAN and cellular data. And I will explain this to you. If this option is set to off, that means Duolingo app can't use internet from your phone. No Wi-Fi and no 5G or 4G. If you check only WLAN, that means the internet will work only in the app if you are connected to Wi-Fi. And if you choose WLAN and cellular data, that means the app will work with the internet if you are connected to 5G, 4G or Wi-Fi. So you have to choose the third option. And after that, you have to go to the App Store and go and look to Duolingo app and be sure that your app is up to date. And as you can see here, I have like this update blue icon. I have to click on it because sometimes when the app is outdated, it will stop working. If the app is too old, it will stop working. That's why you should always be sure that your app is updated. And if you did all this and the app is still not working, in that case, you should delete the app and install it again. And to delete the app and install it again, you have to go to Duolingo, long press on it, and click Remove App. And after that, click on Delete App. And after that, install it again and open your account. And if you try those solutions, I'm pretty sure that one of them will work for you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do like this video and see you in the next one.